Yo, what up, homies? I just woke up and I'm hungry. I'm gonna go make some breakfast right now. It's going to be a date smoothie. It's gonna be delicious. Vanilla date smoothie. That's the thing, that's the goal. You could buy the dates for $3.99 at Trader Joe's. It's super cheap, so go get it and let's go make a smoothie. Let's go. By the way, my skin is looking on point. Look at that. Fudge. Okay, I'm gonna go do it now. Okay, let's go. Add 2 cups of almond milk to your blender. Boop. Look at that, delicious. Add 10 dates to the blender. Okay, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you want a cheaper version, buy it at Trader Joe's. Okay, now add 2 teaspoons of cacao powder. Cacao. If you have a banana, use that instead. Add that in. 1 banana, ripe banana. I don't have it, so I'm gonna go with it. Okay, bye. Now blend it. Okay, when you blend it until smooth, it should look like that. People are gonna say this is a lot of sugar. So is. So if you have an issue with that, go share it with someone. It's like for 2 people, 2 servings. I'm gonna taste it right now. It's really good. It's bomb. Although you can add like more vanilla. Add 2 more teaspoons of vanilla. It tastes like chocolate, like a chocolate smoothie. Oops.